Have you ever wondered what the world sounds like beyond human hearing? Animals live in a vast acoustic universe filled with clicks, rumbles, chirps, and chemical signals that carry meaning we still barely understand. Elephants communicate through infrasound that travels up to 10 kilometers. Dolphins use over 200 distinct types of clicks and whistles, forming complex social codes. Bees dance in geometric patterns to transmit distances and directions with remarkable precision. But here's the extraordinary truth. Scientists estimate that over 95% of animal communication remains undecoded. And much of it operates at frequencies we cannot hear or in code systems we cannot decipher. From the ultrasonic songs of mice to the shape-based grammar of cuttlefish skin patterns, there's a hidden world speaking around us. What if AI could finally help us listen properly? What would the natural world reveal if its silent symphony could be translated into human language? Artificial intelligence is transforming bioacoustics faster than any technology in history. Deep learning models, similar to the ones that power chatbots, can now analyze millions of animal sounds, identify patterns, and detect meaning humans could never catch. In 2023, a Cornell Lab of Ornithology project trained AI to classify over 1 billion bird calls. Google's AI for social good built algorithms that can detect endangered whales across thousands of kilometers of ocean. The most groundbreaking effort is the Interspecies project, ESP, working to develop foundation models that translate animal communication without needing human labels. Their neural networks can already cluster patterns in dolphin clicks, bat chirps, and primate vocalizations, suggesting the first steps toward decoding. AI is also being tested in identifying emotional states in animals by analyzing frequency, duration, and modulation. A world where machines interpret animal intent is no longer fantasy, it's emerging science. Imagine AI revealing that dolphin clicks form structured sentences. In fact, research from the University of St. Andrews shows dolphins respond to signature whistles, similar to names. Elephant rumbles vary by mood, age, and urgency. AI can now detect stress levels with over 85% accuracy. And in 2022, scientists used machine learning to classify prairie dog alarm calls that differentiate between human, hawk, coyote, and even shirt color. AI is also decoding the chemical world. Researchers at MIT used neural networks to map how insects encode messages through pheromone blends. Meanwhile, the DeepSqueak AI tool identifies ultrasonic rat calls, giving new insights into empathy, play, and distress. These early breakthroughs point to a future where we can map animal emotions, intentions, warnings, and social structures. For the first time, we may soon grasp what the forest has been trying to tell us. If humans could directly understand animals, the implications would be enormous. Wildlife conservation would transform overnight. AI could warn us when elephants sense poachers miles away or when coral reefs cry out under stress. Veterinarians could diagnose pain through vocal signatures. Pet owners might someday receive apps that interpret the emotional tone of dogs or cats using real-time audio analysis. But this new era brings serious ethical questions. Should humans be able to monitor animal conversations? What happens when technology listens to entire ecosystems? Researchers stress the need for ethical boundaries. Just as we protect human privacy, we must protect animal autonomy. Communication must be partnership, not control. If handled responsibly, AI could become a bridge that reshapes ecological management, agriculture, disaster prediction, and our moral relationship with the living world. For the first time in history, we stand at the edge of true interspecies dialogue. If we learn to understand animals, not as background creatures, but as intelligent communicators, the way humanity sees nature will shift forever. Scientists believe that decoding communication could unlock new insights into migration, climate responses, and even early warning systems for natural disasters. The real question is, are we ready to listen? AI will not just help us hear animals, it will challenge our assumptions about intelligence and consciousness. We may discover that the planet has been speaking all along in languages older than humanity. And if we choose to respond with respect and curiosity, we may begin a new chapter of coexistence where humans and animals collaborate rather than collide. The future whisper of the wild may be our greatest teacher.